Look at the last 3 signals that Trusted Signals gave me. The problem is I didn't actually take any of these trades because I wasn't on the computer. This problem is about to be fixed. If you're a trader, you know what it's like spending hours and hours on the charts. And if you're really a trader, you know what it's like spending hours and hours on the charts, but missing your ideal entry. Today, I have a simple solution that's literally gonna work with TradingView to automate every single alert. Hey, my name's Chris P, and I make videos for you that wanna become profitable, make more money at home. And if you're an entrepreneur, I need you to hit that sub button right now. And don't worry, if you're actually a rookie trader, you don't even need to know anything about trading. Just hook up your account and literally copy other people's trades. Now, this is gonna turn me and you into signal providers, because the simple fact is, if we can find profitable alerts that work on TradingView, then we can go ahead and essentially let others copy that for a specific fee. The crazy thing is, this is not only gonna just work for MT4, it's actually gonna give you the abilities to send your trades to Telegram, to Discord, to Twitter, and other big platforms, so that way your community can stay in tune with your trades. And if you're a manual trader, believe it or not, you can literally set up your account to manual automation, and it's automatically gonna put your stop loss and profits, and it's gonna do things that you ask it to. So you're gonna be able to literally set up your own parameters for your own specific strategy and have the actual bots execute everything for you. Behind the scenes, this thing is like my FX book, but on steroids. It's gonna literally have all the statistics, how many trades you take, how profitable they are they buys, are they sells, what specific commodities. So you're gonna be able to look at all of this specific information before you even set yourself up to follow a trader. Which brings me to what I'm about to announce. All right, I will have my own trading bot on automatedtrader.com. Yes, I've been working with Trusted Signals on finding the best settings for my specific strategy, and I will go ahead and turn this into a specific bot, and it's gonna release when Automated Trader is released. So I am super grateful for Trusted Signals to provide me with the platform to make more money hands-free. All right, and if you're a lifetime member, believe it or not, they actually paid for 1,000 users to automatically get access to automatedtrader.com. If you wanna go ahead and get access to automatedtrader.com, all you have to do right now is go to automatedtrader.com and sign up for the beta waitlist. Now, keep in mind that Trusted Signals users will have first access, so you need to get Trusted Signals lifetime membership. And if you do, they will actually be giving you bot access to their Gold bot, their Bitcoin bot, and I believe their US30 breakout bot. Yes, they have multiple bots. I've seen them, they're literally amazing. If you follow me for a while, you know that I was actually testing a few of these, but now it's actually official. Automated Trader is gonna provide you guys with the ability to turn your alerts into automated profits. Yes, automated profits. It's gonna be amazing. If you wanna get a behind the scenes look of Automated Trader, make sure that you sub, make sure that you watch my next video, because trust me, you're not gonna wanna miss this. That's all for this one, but I'm literally about to go ahead and make one video right now showing you guys what Automated Trader has to provide. Until the next video, I'm out. Stay tuned. Peace.